Here are the tools needed for machine maintenance. Switch off the power. Move the laser head. Loosen the nuts to remove the air pipe. Use a screwdriver to remove the 4 screws behind the laser head. Disconnect the connection wire behind the laser head. Remove the back screw. Loosen the 2 top screws and remove the fan cover. Take out the fan and unplug the fan wire. Use a brush to clean the dust on the small board inside the laser head. Use an air nozzle to blow away the dust on the surface. Continue using the brush to clean the dust at the bottom of the laser head. Use the air nozzle to blow away the dust on the surface. Spray with alcohol on a non-woven fabric. Wipe the camera lens. Use a brush to clean off the dust on the front of the fan. Then turn it to the other side and continue cleaning. Use an air nozzle to blow away the dust scattered on the fan surface. Spray with alcohol on a cotton swab. Use tweezers to hold the fan blades to prevent movement. Use the cotton swab to clean stubborn dust on the fan blades. Also, clean the dust on the inner walls. Switch to the other side and continue cleaning. Now the fan is cleaning. Connect the fan wire. Pay attention to the front and back of the fan and the notch in the corner. Align the notch with the protruding corner. Press down so that it is parallel to the surface. Place the metal plate on top of the fan. Use screws to secure it. Then align the back screw holes and secure with screw. Connect the connection wire. Note the position of the back screw holes. Make sure the screws align with the screw holes. Put the laser head in place and hold it with your hand. Use the screwdriver to secure the 40 watts laser head with screws firmly. Connect the air pipe and secure with the nuts. Spray with alcohol on a non-woven fabric. Wipe the camera lens on the cover clean. For cleaning other areas, please refer to the cleaning steps for Vision 20 watts laser machine.